If you want to see results from your body care routine, you need a body scrub. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this face, hi, my name is Sylvia, and on this channel I talk about all things skincare. I review skincare products, I share my skincare journey and skincare tips that can help you as well. So if you love content like this, then stick around and watch this video to the very end. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with somebody you believe this video will be of help to. Now in today's video, like you already know by the title, I'm talking about body scrubs, and I'll be using this Cuspa salt scrub as my reference. Before we dive into how to use a body scrub, which I will be explaining using this Cuspa body scrub, let's briefly talk about body scrubs. Let's say everything that you need to know as a beginner skincare person, as a beginner in skincare about body scrubs. Now, what exactly are body scrubs? A body scrub is a skincare product, okay, that helps to take off dead skin cells from the body, improve skin texture, and enhance absorption of skincare products. Now, from what I've already said, from the definition, you can already understand the benefits of using a body scrub in your skincare routine. Now, if you want to see results from your skincare routine, now a body scrub is a non-negotiable, and I'm going to prove that to you. So stick around and watch this video to the very end. Now, we've already talked about a body scrub. Now, a body scrub is used in exfoliation. So for those of you who might not be familiar, exfoliation is a skincare technique where you take off the dead skin cells from the surface of your body. It's just basically the process of using your body scrub, and that's simple. Now, I said I was going to use this particular body scrub as reference. You can see I still have the wrap, or the, I don't know how it's sealed around it. I just bought it recently. If you've been following me on this channel, you know that I've been using this product for like the longest time. This is a product that I've been using for a very long time. So I'm going to be demonstrating and explaining it to you using this product. Now, we've already defined a body scrub. Now, in a good body scrub, how do you actually choose a good body scrub that is going to work in line with your skin and give you your desired result? Now, there are two things you have to consider when choosing a body scrub. Now, number one, and most importantly, is your skin type. Now, do you have dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, or is your skin sensitive? You have to put this into consideration. And now, you also have to look at the ingredients in a body scrub. Because I said I was going to be using this one as reference. This is a salt scrub, okay? This is a salt scrub. So the main exfoliants are the salt granules, the salt particles, salt in the salt, okay? You could have salt scrub, sugar scrub, coffee scrub. And each of these scrubs have different functions. Now, let me take a brief moment to answer a question that a subscriber asked me on this channel. So she said I should talk about the difference between a salt scrub and a sugar scrub. Now, a salt scrub has larger granules. They usually have larger granules, and they are better off for people who have a normal to oily skin. Now, if you have a sensitive skin, it's more advisable that you use a sugar scrub, which always has finer and less coarse granules, okay? It's less prone to cause irritation on your skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, it's more advisable that you actually use a sugar scrub, okay? So I hope I answered your question. Now, they both do the same thing. It all boils down to the formulation of that scrub, okay? But they both do the same basic work of exfoliation. So back to what I was talking about. I was talking about the things a scrub should contain. A body scrub should contain the exfoliants as the granules. It should also contain oil that will help to hydrate and nourish your skin. It could also contain other important ingredients, like contain vitamins like antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, contain vitamin E. It all boils down to the formulation, okay? So before you choose a body scrub, try to go through the ingredients. If you cannot find it, search on it so that you know what it contains. Now, if you have a sensitive skin, like I've already mentioned, salt scrubs are not advisable for persons with sensitive skin. Sugar scrub or even a coffee scrub is more advisable. So it's important that you put these two things into consideration: your skin type and the ingredients that are contained in that formulation, okay? So now that we've had that cleared up, let's head into how to actually use a body scrub to get the best results. Now, this is the products we'll be using today. So I'm going to take a little bit. Now, bear it in mind that you can use either exfoliating gloves, a sponge, African body sponge, or you can use your hands to exfoliate. All of this work very fine, but it's more advisable that if you have like this kind of thick, tough skin, that use exfoliating gloves, because the surface of those exfoliating gloves are a bit more coarse than a normal African body sponge, and it'll just help to add that extra effect, okay? So, but whatever you use, you're still going to get the benefit, you're still going to get results. So you're going to take the product. First of all, it's important that you shower, cleanse your skin, And then now take the product. I'm not going to use so much because I'm just demonstrating it. As you can see, I'm already dressed up. So you're going to take, this is how the formulation is. I don't know if you can see, that's salt. It's salty, but it's not, that's how it is. So if you apply it on whatever, your sponge, your exfoliating gloves, you're just going to like rub it and go over your skin. Now it's important, okay, take notes to concentrate on areas of your body that are usually like very dark, so that you can get the best of it. Like your elbow, focus on like just like your elbow and rub it, your elbow. Focus on your elbow, your armpit, if you have dark knees, even if you have dark knuckles, okay? So focus on such areas of your body. And then when you are done, oh my god, I don't know, I don't like the smell of, okay, this one smells better, smells okay. So when you're done, you're just going to rinse it off. And then it's important, please do not forget this step, please. I will not advise people to use a scrub, I don't know, a hard brush on their skin. Your skin is not a car, you are a human being, and you do not even fall. Even if you fell inside the gutter, please, the sponge can take it off. So please do not use all those hard things on your skin before you irritate your skin. The aim is to exfoliate and not irritate your skin, so that you don't go and cause skin damage your skin cells, and now come to complain that, oh, this scrub is giving you issues. Please exfoliate and exfoliate the proper way, okay? Now that we've gotten that cleared out, so once you are done going over your body, now once you rinse it off your skin, you're going to notice that your skin feels softer. Trust me, feels smoother, okay? It feels more smooth. And then make sure that afterwards you hydrate with a very good body cream or a good moisturizer, a good moisturizing body cream. That step is not negotiable, it's very, very important. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe, join the beautiful family that we are building. We are 600 subscribers, yay! So join the family, subscribe, like this video, share this video if you believe this video was helpful to you. And thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video up until this very point. See you in my next video. Bye.